Mixed conditionals. Mixed conditionals are used to talk about imaginary situations where the time in the if clause and the result clause are different. We mix tenses to show how a past event could affect the present, or how a present situation could have changed the past. There are two common types of mixed conditional. The first is if plus past perfect plus comma plus would plus base verb. This structure talks about a past condition and a present result. Example: if I had taken that job, I would live in New York now. Taking the job didn't happen in the past, and the result is that now I don't live in New York. The second is if plus simple past plus comma plus would have plus past participle. This structure talks about a present condition and a past result. Example: if I were taller, I would have joined the basketball team. I'm not tall now, and because of that, I didn't join the team in the past. Let's look at some more examples. If she spoke French, she would have gotten the job in Paris. If they had saved more money, they would own a house now. If he were more careful, he wouldn't have broken the vase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.